Video letters to His Holiness Dalai Lama Part 3. First of all, I have to get my disappointment out of my chest. And you holy men, from the Pope to the cardinals, the Catholic ones, to the Brahmina priests, to the mullahs, to the Taoistic wise men and women, to the atheists, to the rabbiner, and so on. Please get out of your little boys' club and act like an adult. Because of you, that scientist is in a sump, a mud place where they don't have contact with their responsibility, but is blurred in the mind of misunderstanding for love for your neighbor. They try to help by invisible violence because they are forced by misunderstanding of the different holy script, from the Bible to the Quran to the Book of Moses to the Buddhist wisdom teaching, and so on. But because you were sitting under the roof of me telling you that you have acting with irresponsibility, you have to know that you was not able to do otherwise, because you didn't have the knowledge, you didn't have the grounding and the fundament to understand differently. So if you allowed me to be your mother for a while, so we can help the scientists to do a responsible scientists, chemical, industrial, and so on, and at the same time give the right teaching of knowledge, how to use the technique that Moses, Buddha, and Jesus gave me. These three ways, they enlightened these three masters, and it's a joyful teaching, but at the same time very serious. So please come down. Please come down. I will guide you through all this through my letters, because it's urgent, because these scientists, these politicians will not listen to the blacksmith daughter from Copenhagen, and they refuse to understand what they can do of good things with getting the knowledge from the enlightened masters directly. So don't be alarmed. I'm your friend, even I'm a woman, And but I have to say to you, as I tell the men home in the enlightened world, in the spirit world, now you have had 5,000 years to play around, to make the role of the bad guy and the good guy. The victim in all this have been the children and the women. But I don't want to dig holes or throw mud on you, because we have all been in good faith. We didn't understand that we were wrong and on the wrong path. Moses understood it, Buddha understood it, and Jesus Christ understood it too. But the time after didn't understood it and was mixing it all up. Oh, I'm sorry, Muhammad understood it too, but the after time was mixing it all up and created the opposite. So let's use our common sense. Even I know I will provoke you, but it's only your bad tradition I will provoke, not your soul, not your diamond. So in my next part 4 of the video letters, let's take our working clothes on, because we have a planet to save and a civilization, so it can be a good place to evolve our love for our neighbor and have a good time at the same time.